Alright guys, so today I got something a little different. Eventually I'm going to get back to uploading off-road content, but right now I want to get to you like this is going to be for the Shotcut people, because again I'm using open source software to do my recording. So if you want to do your own recording and you have a PC, this is called Shotcut. It's an open source, which means it's free. The community develops it and adds to it, and if there's improvements you add to it, as a community, the source code for it's out there to work on. With that said, it's right now I'm using Windows 11 as my version, and it's open. I believe they have a Mac version out there as well. There's a few other versions, but anyways, this is for the Shotcut people who are doing editing. What I'm trying to solve today is I want to convert an MP4 file, which is a video file, to a GIF. And so I have this new product I'm working on. And on my website, one of the things I can do is I can upload GIFs and GIFs, whatever you want to call it. If you want to argue about it, argue in the comments, but I'm going to call it a GIF. So anyways, I want to create GIFs to advertise the product. So this is going to be the process for this. I'm going to remove this audio track because I don't need that. And I added it. Let's see, remove track. Remove track. Okay. So now we have this video. It's a little... I think it's like a 20-second video, and I want to convert it to a GIF. So once you have your video here, once you chop up your video to what you want to convert, you're going to go to export. Once you click export, you're going to scroll all the way down. Usually I have mine set to YouTube because all I'm doing is editing YouTube videos and shorts for Instagram. You're going to go to intermediate, and in intermediate there's an MPEG-4. You want to make sure to select that option. Once you get here, you want to click the advanced tab. This is what it looks like when you don't have the advanced tab clicked. Once you advance, you get all these options here. You're going to change the format from AVI, I think is the default, and just do GIF. If you hit G, it'll take you to the G options and GIFs right there. I kind of moved it fast again. I'm going to do the option again. You click it, you get all these options of the formats. Hit G, it's going to take you to all the Gs, and then GIF's going to be right here. The other thing you want to change is your codec. You see the standard codec right now is MPEG-4, or again, you can have all this list of codecs. And if you're somebody who's doing video editing, you probably know what all these codecs are, and you can probably define what it is. I don't know. I'm just a user. I do work in IT, but I don't do developing or whatever video graphics or graphic designing and stuff like that. So I don't know what all these codecs are. I can't tell you what I know. The back end are different. But anyways, it's like GIF. See here, video, you want to leave video enabled because we're going to be editing the video as a GIF, the video visual. So go to audio, you're going to save the audio because you don't need no audio playing in the GIF. I guess GIFs have that now, but mine's not going to have any audio. The frame rate is per second. You want to chop it down to 15. It's going to make it choppy like the GIFs that you normally see. And then once you have that, again, go to MPEG-4, change your format, go to your codec options, change your codec to GIF, go to your audio, disable audio, video, change your frames per second down to 15, or you can play around with it, however fast you want your GIF to chop, how you want that look to look. Aspect ratio you can adjust, resolution you can probably adjust. I'm gonna leave all that standard. There's a little black here, but I'm okay with that because as long as the product is there and get advertised. Then you go to export file. You can see I already have this one exported, but I'm going to call this one front view. Let's call it FR002, just so you know it's a new file. Make sure the save type is GIF. It should be populated automatically because you set that up already. Hit save, and then it's going to start processing. And then once that's processed, which is fairly quick, this is because I'm only doing a 20-second clip. It should be really, really quick. Go to make GIFs is my little file. There's my file here. Pop it open, and you can see the video quality drops a little bit, but that's all right as long as I can get the message through. You can see here, like in my screen recording, I kept the mouse in there. But anyways, that's how you convert an MP4 file, video file, to a GIF using Shotcut. If you like the content you see, if you're a Shotcut person, be sure to subscribe, submit some questions. I know Shotcut. I've told a few people how to use Shotcut, and I've kind of advertised it out there. But nobody's that I've pitched it to has used it that they're doing video editing. But if you come to this channel, find this channel, and have any questions, ask questions. If it's something that I've done in the past, I can help you identify what your issues are, or what you're trying to accomplish, and I'll make a video on it. It helps me make content as far as Shotcut's concerned in video editing. I'm a person that's very task oriented, so I need a task to accomplish it. So like this is something that I was needing to accomplish for my website, and so that's why I'm putting it out there, because I didn't find out, I had to do some research of my own, and if we can make content more available for people to learn and progress, and people who are jumping into video editing and are new to it, and they don't have a lot of money, you want a free version, hey man, hop on board, ask some questions, and let's learn together. I like learning, and any questions, because you probably have a different task you're trying to accomplish, and if I try and replicate it, it'll help me learn and advance in my skills in Shotcut and video editing and whatever editing I do with this. So yeah, anyways, like content to see, usually I'm off-roading. I got off-road content coming down. I just gotta sit down and do the edits. For those of you who watch the off-road content are kind of still listening, it just takes me a little while to upload, because I do still work a full-time job, and I do have a lot of footage, and going through my off-road footage, I gotta cut a lot of the fluff out, a lot of the dead space, and just give you the content that you want to see, and I gotta work on telling the story better. But there's a lot of footage, like the way I explain it is, I can go out there and film 10 hours of footage, but all you want to see is 8 minutes, So I just got to go through all that and cut it down and make it digestible and easy for the eye to use. And there's a lot of a lot of movement too, so I got to cut a lot of stuff out. But I got off-road content coming for you guys. Stay tuned. If you like what you see, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, hit the little bell, so whenever I upload, I'll try not to upload too many shorts. I know people get upset when I upload too many shorts, but it's not an adjustment I can make. That's something YouTube changed, and unfortunately shorts are where it's at too. People like 15-second clips, 5-second clips, and they move on. But I'm going to continue to develop here and grow as a person, grow as somebody creating this content, and hopefully you guys enjoy what you see in the future. All right, take care, guys.